So welcome back. Now in this video we will start working at in the search post dot, okay, as you guys can see. Okay, now let's go and implement a beautiful UI right in the screen. Okay, so we will do that. So in here, empty container, in there, let's start work. So in here we will say child, and right in the child there will be scaffold. Okay, and right in the scaffold we will simply set the app bar. Okay, and right in the app bar we will create a beautiful combination mixture of two color. Okay, as you guys know already. So in here we will say flexible space. Okay, and in here the container widget, and then right in the container widget we will set the decoration. Okay, so in here we will say decoration, box decoration. We can simply copy that from the sign up screen and also from the login screen. We have implemented this decoration at so many places, but I will write it in here. Okay, so gradient, as you guys know about this already. Okay, linear gradient, and here comma, let's take this down, and here we will say colors. Okay, and then we will simply set the colors. Okay, right in there, colors. Let's find right in here, we will go with the deep orange. Okay, shade, we will go with the 300. Let's find right in here. Now the other colors we will go with the pink. Okay, now we will exchange the colors. Okay, at first one there is a deep orange will be, and at second there will be a pink. Okay, as you guys can see that in here, and let's press the controls and see the output. Okay, for the app bar, there we go. Okay, beautiful app bar. And if you guys want to tag the pink color to this side, to the left side, and orange to the right side, simply cut this from here. Okay, and paste it right in here. Okay, as you guys can see, now Control S and you guys will notice. Okay, there we go. So I think that's look more beautiful. Okay, and in here we can simply remove that container. Okay, it will not cause any error. It's an unnecessary container, that's fine. Control S and there we go, it's fine. Okay, now let's move further. Okay, and down below this container we'll say title, and right in the title your text field. Okay, so right in the text field, first it's going to take the on change. Okay, for now in this on change we're gonna pass some text. Okay, user will enter some text, so here we will say text enter. You guys will get the idea in a while whenever we test the app. Okay, so here we're gonna pass that text enter whenever the user enters some text. Okay, and we will leave this empty for now. Okay, right after we will set first some decoration. Okay, so input decoration, right in the input decoration first we will set the hint text. Okay, this is going to be simply for the search posting system. Okay, right in the app bar, you guys will get the idea. Okay, just wait for a while, we will first complete that. So in here you will say search. Okay, search post here. So this is going to be the text that we want to show for the users. Okay, and right after insert the hint style. Okay, and there as usual text style. Text style, we will first set the color. Colors, you will go with the white one. White 54 will be good. Okay, and right after let's set border input border, we'll go with the input border dot none. Okay, so that's fine. And right after, we're gonna set the search icon. Okay, where it's gonna be a suffix icon. Okay, so in here we will say suffix icon. There we go, and there will be an icon button in there, and the icon button, let's set the icon now. We'll go with the icons, we'll go with this search one. Okay, as Italian, so search, there we go. I'll go with the first one. Okay, search, set the color, we'll go with the colors white, pure white. Okay, so that's fine right in here. Now it's gonna take the onPass event. Okay, from now on we will leave that empty. In here, add the const modifier, also this icon. Okay, all good. So as you guys can see, we left that onChange and onPressed empty. Later on we will create some variables and we will call upon that right in here in the onPressed, and also in the onChange we will create some variables and we're gonna assign the text enter that we right in here. We will assign that to that variable, and also we will create a method and call upon in here in the onChange. Okay, for now on there is no need of it. First we will implement the UI and later on we will work on that. So for now on, we successfully created the UI for the search post here, and also we set the icon. Okay, so let me show you the output from this line of code. So simply Control S and you guys will see. There we go. As you guys can notice, the icon for the search right in here. Okay, and there we go with the search post here. Okay, with the text field, as you guys can see. Okay, all fine, and that search icon is right on the right screen of the app bar. So with the help of suffix icon, as I told you before, we created that on the right side. Okay, right in here. And if you guys want to create this search icon right in here, then simply use the prefix icon. Okay, so it's going to be simply done right in here. So let's move further. Okay, now down below this icon button, foot comma first, now we will say prefix. Okay, and in there icon button, now we will implement the arrow back button. Okay, as you guys can see in here, that arrow back button, it is set by default. Okay, so we don't want that. We will simply implement the code for that. Okay, and let's go and do that. So icon button in here. Okay, first comma, and now writing the icon button, first set the icon. Okay, we will do some padding as usual. In the padding we do some edge insect. Okay, we will go with only. Okay, and right in there first we will set the right to 12.0, and also we will set the bottom to 4.0. Okay, all fine. Now right after, let's say child and icons, we will go with the arrow back. There we go. I'll go with the first one. That's fine right in here. Now let's set the color. You will go with the colors and go with the white one. Yep, that's fine. Right after, in here it's going to take the onPass. Okay, and write an onPass click event. We will simply, whenever the user will click on that, we will simply get the user to the home screen. Okay, so in here we will simply say navigator. Okay, as you guys know, dot push replacement contacts, and it's gonna take the material parachute. Okay, and right in there you will simply send them to the home screen. Okay, so in here let's say home screen. Okay, home screen. There we go. And here's semicolon, guys, as you guys can see. Okay, and here icons modified with the spading. There we go. So the code will be clean from the yellow lines that has been gone already. So whenever the user will click on that arrow button, as I tell you, you will get the user back to the home screen. So simply come here and click on this run man dot. It's going to take us to the home screen. Okay, because in the man dot we said that. And let's go back to the search post screen. Okay, there we go, and there is the arrow button. Now we implement the code. Okay, writing the prefix icon, and there we go with the prefix icon in which we implement the arrow back. Okay, now if I click on that, we will go toward the home screen. There we go. Okay, working totally fine. And now on, we have successfully set the Appbar. Okay, and there the text field, as you guys can see. Okay, and also we set the icon for the search, and also we implement the arrow back button. Okay, so that's it for this video. Right, in the next video we will work further right from here.